monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though you don't have.
Hey guys, starting with a clean face and my eyebrows already done, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just going to start blending this out with my finger. I'm going to take the James Charles mini palette and I'm going to go into the color B, and using a denser brush with some Makeup Forever Mist and Fix, I'm just going to darken up this color. Taking 518, the orange color in his palette, I'm going to go ahead and put this right underneath that yellow color, and then I'm going to go ahead and take Rusted, and we're going to put that under the orange color just like we did the yellow. And this is going to get repetitive, so we're just going to start stacking the colors right underneath each other. And this orange reddish shade that I'm taking is called You're Kidding. Going into the shade Social Glade, put that color between the yellow and the orange. So going back into the palette, we're going to grab You're Kidding, and it's this beautiful red orangey shade. And then we're going to go down into Escape, and this is going to be our last color. Going back into our shades, we're going to go ahead and blend everything out, just so everything's just a little bit more seamless. Grab a baby wipe and start wiping down the sides. You'll want to focus on having all the color in the middle of your eyelid. Going back with the concealer and a dense flat brush, start adding the concealer where you wiped off. This is going to create an even canvas for the blue shade. Grabbing more concealer, I'm going to rough out the edges of our rainbow. Make sure you're blending everything in. I'm using a small blending brush to put the shade Playground around our rainbow. Keep building the shade to intensify the look. Grab a blending brush and blend any harsh lines. And using the shade Flashback for under the brow and blending the transition shade. I'm using the Morphe Concealer C000 to start creating puzzle pieces on my eyes. With a small brush, go into the blue shade Playground and start detailing your puzzle piece. I'm using white to make the puzzle piece stand out. With the other side finished, add more blue to intensify the look. Clean off any fallout. I'm using the Huda Beauty liner to tightline. And using the other other side, I'm going to create a wing.
Up with landmines, we will face it, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming.
Using the Beauty Water from Sun and Park, I'm going to moisturize. While that sets, I'm using the purple shade on my bottom lash line.
Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm
Connect the top and the bottom using the blue shade. The inner corner, I used a silver shade to brighten up the eye. Use a primer for your face. This is the Silk Canvas by Tasha. The foundation I'm using is the Derma Blend Flawless. The shade I'm using is 43W.
when you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'll fight. I swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat.
I'm using the LA Girl Concealer to brighten my under eye and highlight the bridge of my nose, lips, and chin.
Seeing monsters out your window, no you can't sleep, you pretend though, you don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got
My camera died, so lashes, nose contour, done.
scream until
I'm adding more silver to the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to start contouring using the Morphe R9 and the Cover FX translucent powder in the shade Deep.
you go to war, then I'm going with you.
For my cheeks, I'm using an angled blush brush and the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the color Wine.
When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'm fighting, swear on the breath that I breathe.
To highlight, I'm using NARS's Albatross. Taking a small blending brush, I'm using Albatross to highlight the bridge of my nose. I'm using the sponge shade on my lips by using Melania Moore Matte Lip Cream in the color Embrace. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Please subscribe and like my channel so you don't miss out on my next video.